I'm Dr. Nilangi Gokhale Padhi. I'm from Orissa, Barampur. I work in Nari Hospital. It's Nari Advanced Reproductive Institute. I joined this Medline Academics and this FRM course with Siddhartha University. It is like, after so many years of studying, when you are studying again, you are brushing up your knowledge. And the new ART law which is come, this has got the classes on that also. So what is happening is you are learning the theory, the practical, as well as the ethics of it. And this is all amalgamated beautifully under the guidance of Dr. Kamini Rao, and they have a beautiful simulation lab. And this simulation lab has got real case scenarios like for hysteroscopy, IUI, and surprisingly for embryo transfer, there are kind of cases on simulation model, whether it's a simple embryo transfer or it's a little bit of difficult level, they have the models like that. And also for the ovum pickup, you have cases like there are 6 to 8 follicles we have to aspirate, or there are 10, or there are 15. And accordingly, you can grade yourself that how well you are performing. Are you aspirating the small follicles? You are not puncturing the vessel. How accurate you are, how precise you are. So it's so beautiful. You get satisfaction out of it. After joining the course, it's like daily you become more enthusiastic, even in teaching your patients. Usually my practice involves giving the patients what they can do. And this I was doing, and now I'm more and more doing, because small things, if they bring changes, it's like there is a bigger outcome. So you are learning IVF doesn't mean that all the patients you would be like making pregnant by IVF modality. It is like bringing their fertility score better so that they can conceive naturally, or maybe IUI, or maybe IVF. So the course is helping, and the material which is provided by the Medline Academics is so useful, and that actually brushes your previous knowledge and adds to it, because there are how the IVF science is advancing. So the ma'am has taken precautions to put the present literature also, the new medicines, the nomograms which are coming, if we can help the difficult patient out or not. And ma'am is actually eager to answer all the questions if we are having on our patients some difficulty we are facing, whether it's in hysteroscopy or IVF patients. And I'm thankful for those who are involved in making this course. Thank you so very much.